I'm gonna tell you a trick on how you can make profit safely in intraday trading or swing trading or any kind of trade you're doing in. So here is a small example, okay? So this example is for safe traders. So let's say your capital is 1 lakh and you're expecting the profit of 5,000 per day, which is safe, okay? And this is very achievable. And now let's say take an example 2, which is very risky, and here you're trading with a capital of 1 lakh and you're expecting the profit of 25,000 rupees, which is very risky and which is not really possible in intraday trading. And yes, it is possible in only few cases, but which is very risky, and I would consider it to be as a greedy. Okay, now let me explain you why. Okay, so here is an example of a Reliance chart what you're seeing right now, and this stock you can see here. Let's assume you have bought a stock here, and if you have bought it, it has gone up, and in the same way it has come down as well. So you need to understand here that the market will not always go in a straight upward or a straight downward. Okay, so always there will be a moment of zigzag in stock market trading, and you have to buy here and you have to exit here, or you have to short sell here and you have to exit here. So you have to know where is your correct entry and correct exit point in intraday trading. Okay, you should always buy it where there is a good chances of a stock it is moving up, or you have to always short sell where there's a good chances of stock coming down. So you have to identify this correct point of entry of buying and selling. Okay, so you should always aim for getting a proper entry and keeping a reality and real expectation of target, not over expectation or not being more trade or more greedy in intraday trading. Okay, so click on my channel logo and go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational and daily live trade videos. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today.